Hello, this is James from smartvsa.com. Today we're going to take a look at catalyst signals on the Euro-JPY daily chart. Catalyst signals are great because they tend to precede large moves up or down on a particular chart. I don't normally trade the daily, but even with the four-step method, the profits can be humongous on the daily chart. But we're going to look at signal to signal because that's one method we don't really talk about too much. There are a number of articles on the website, but we don't have any videos about it, so I thought it would be a good thing to do today. Alright, so this is the Euro-JPY daily chart using SMART with our Catalyst template, which is available as an add-on at our website, www.smartvsa.com. Each of these colored bars represents a catalyst signal. Now, just having a catalyst signal appear on the chart does not necessarily mean a trade exists. For example, the last trade, the trade advisor, which is right here, is actually precluding this trade. You wouldn't take that one. The targets listed here are generally only used for the four-step method, so we won't look at those today. There's a lot of information on the website about the EOMs. It's a proprietary concept and it works really, really well in terms of getting out at the exact right moment with the four-step method. When using them, your trade results tend to go from being wishy-washy, where maybe you lose more than you win, to almost always winning. So check that out. In any case, let's get started. A catalyst signal, like I said, is any signal or signals that appear before a large move up or down on a chart. For example, there's a pretty nice move down here, a very strong move here, and finally this nice drop right here. You get the picture. That's what we're looking at, but what we want to look at as far as backtesting goes and finding the signals that are catalyst signals on the chart is we look at those big moves up or down, we look at what precedes them. Now, on this chart, we have a catalyst signal right here. This is a reverse shakeout. Okay, you can see the title right there, reverse shakeout. It's at a top for the range, which is perfect. The advisor warning, however, is for the last signal. Okay, so we can't actually look at this right now. But we do have something called the Smart Visual Trade Advisor, which allows us to backtest previous signals. If you look at this particular signal, which is a reverse shakeout, a weakness signal, the advisor said it had no trade warnings. So now had we taken this trade, we would have entered here on the very next bar and would have waited until we had a signal in the reverse direction, which was also okay according to the advisor. And if this whole move, we would have gotten very easily. It's quite a substantial amount of pips. Now, if you look here at this trade, it looks like it's in a decent spot, but it has an advisor warning. Anyway, because the next bar actually did go down. So the advisor is very, very important in terms of selecting trades and picking them. Sometimes you'll have an advisor warning, but it's one that we don't really necessarily worry about. In that case, what you would do is you would confirm the trade by looking at the VBS, the Visual Background Scanner, VBS. When it's red, that means that the VBS is against the market. Well, maybe not be against the signals. It's showing weakness in the market. And blue shows that there's strength in the market. So if you have a weakness signal and the current VBS is showing weakness, then that's okay. That's verified. But again, the article on that particular way of looking at the VBS is on our website as well. We'll go into that in future videos. And of course, if you have any questions about any of this, just submit a ticket on our website using the support link at www.smartvsa.com. I'm the owner of the company. I answer every ticket personally. Sometimes this would be good, but I still have to sleep sometimes too. In any case, all right. So what we'll do is catalyst signals, and in terms of taking on, you see that nearly every move that was a good one. We have confirmation from the visual advisor. That again is a proprietary smart. And this particular one was pretty good as well. What did it here? You would not have had here. you would have exited here. So this whole move got out right there. Now we do have another weakness signal here. It was red, which means that the advisor wasn't saying anything about it. So another short position at that point, but we were already in, so it doesn't matter. In any case, so this is another move right to about here. You would have gotten out on the Euro JPY. And again, based on a catalyst signal, which these are, and again, that template is available from our website. And the visual advisor down at the bottom here confirms or precludes going into this particular trade. There's a whole document about that in the client area as well if you want to take a look at it. It's pretty important. You should look. That's just for this quick kind of idea about how to use signal to signal in terms of taking trades that are confirmed by the advisor and how well they can actually do and how it will keep you out of trades that would probably fail. In any case, again, if you have any questions, submit a ticket on our website. Any questions, if you'd like to see videos about a particular that we haven't discussed yet. I plan on doing a lot of videos going forward, so hit subscribe, hit like, and good luck trading.